This is a familiar place. How you like that? A nice little chunky bass to start off the day. Let's go. That is the healthiest bass. That is a healthy bass right there.
Dad!
Here, guys, look at the stomach on that. That is a fat bass.
Dad, can I sit down and look at the water?
Beautiful.
Dad, Rocco, look.
I looked at this thing the other day at Walmart. It was like $1 Ozark Trail bait. And I mean, I looked at it and I loved it. Told my mom to leave it for Christmas. 75, it is like stupidly hot. You know, and I think Monday it's supposed to go straight to like 30 degrees. Doesn't make any sense, guys. But it doesn't matter.
I feel like I'm sinking right now. Rocco, look in the water.
There's it's barely hooked. No.
It's flopping.
I kind of just want it to like flop itself unhooked. That'd be really nice. But
It's like, you're right, it's so barely hooked.
yeah.
Alright. Jessica?
It is barely hooked. Look at that, guys. Barely hooked.
That guy's very hurt.
Oh my gosh, it just came like right off. Like this thing was not hooked.
I'm gonna try to see if I can hook this.
Another fat little bass. Little fat bass, I should say. That belly. You want to touch it, Rocco?
Yes. Nothing came back.
Nice. Today is going to be a really good day for fishing. I'm hungry today because of, I think the weird weather change is affecting them a lot, which I do like. I do like that. I'm standing a little bit too close to the edge for comfort. I feel like I'm gonna like fall. I like saw it eat it. That's a pretty big bluegill. We got a nice bluegill on the crankbait, which I hate, but it's not hooked on the inside of the mouth. So that's nice. Guys, the bluegill in this pond are massive. They are slabs. So that's why I'm not like overly joyful about this one, because flash a picture of my PB that I caught here. Nice. See, this is a bluegill colored crankbait. That bluegill is a cannibal every single time. Oh, no.
Because I don't like holding things by their mouth.
Golly.
I usually like music when they like fish. Now that's not.
Well, they're two completely different things, Justice. You can't compare them.
Yeah.
That's like me saying, my boat is a little bit better than my fridge, you know. So, it's not like...
But fishing and music are very fun things.
They are? Justice, come here, come here, come here. Yep. Reel it in. Come on, reel it in. Yes, there we go. There we go.
Okay.
Ready?
It's on.
There There we go.
It's floppy.
We got Justice a bass. Got a nice Basisi. Fat one. This is probably your biggest bass ever. You ready? Hold it like that. It's gonna be slimy, but it doesn't matter. Hold it.
It hurts.
No, it doesn't. You just gotta hold it like that. You can even use 2 fingers. You can do it. And then hold it up to the camera. Hold it up to the camera. Smile. Here, come back here. Smile. There we go. Let's go. All right. You need to put it in the water now. Good job, dude.
If you catch a fish, Rocco can reel it in first.
Of course. That's why I brought him over here. Rocco.
What?
Justice, you flipped over the camera. Flip it back and record us. All right. Other way. Rocco. Reeling. Make sure you can see us. Here we go. All right, fight it. Keep going. Oh my gosh, Rocco.
Dad!
Oh. Do you think you can pinch its mouth like that?
No.
Whoa.
Look here, Rocco. That's great. Okay. Great job.
If you're lucky.
All right, guys. So I just caught a fish with Justice and didn't record it. So there that is. Now I'm really mad. Now I don't know how much I actually. Oh my gosh! As soon as it hit the water. Oh my gosh! That's a good one, Justice. Here, hand here. That's a good one, Justice. Oh my gosh! As soon as it hit the water.
Go! You got this!
There we go. Oh my gosh. As soon as it hit the water, guys, it was just immediate. Boom. Look down at the camera.
Go.
Oh no.
It was moving. It was like.
Oh no. Oh, it just bit me. Okay, guys, that's Justice's fish. Here, try actually holding it. There we go. Okay, throw it in the water. Okay, well,
He keeps on slipping.
you gotta have a good grip on him, dude.
He's slipping.
Wee.
I'm gonna call
Okay.
him Slippy.
Slippy. I'll get a fish here. I'm manifesting. I'm gonna get a fish here. I got a fish here!
Hey!
Just gotta add the right amount of pressure. Oh no! It's triple hooked. Oh my gosh. You might need to come down here.
It's triple hooked.
Right in the gill, it's triple hooked. That's bad.
It's me. All right, come on. We won't show all the grossness.
No, I'm not. Alright, guys. Stay due to prove. I'm not saying that. That's weird. Guys, have an amazing day.